So that's a transformer you made?
Yeah. Just need a car first.
You're transforming it into a car?
Yeah, that's a car.
Let me see. What's its name?
I see a transformer.
I see a transformer.
Mama.
Cool.
That's a car.
That's in car mode?
That's a car mode.
And what's that? It's robot mode?
That's a car mode.
Oh, this one's the car mode. Let me see the robot mode. Show me how you transform it one more time.
Okay. That's a head.
Uh-oh.
That's a head.
Oh, the head came off?
Feet came off.
Oh, now the feet came off. So this is robot mode?
This is car mode.
Very awesome.
That's motorcycle.
Oh, okay.